Have you ever wondered if salsa dancing can survive the global pandemic of COVID-19? Well, in this video, we'll take a look at that question in a few seconds. But first, welcome to Salsa Goals, a channel dedicated to innovative salsa music and dance concepts. If this is your first time here, please hit subscribe below and ring that bell for all the latest videos from Salsa Goals. Now, COVID-19 is a deadly virus that is affecting the entire world, including the salsa dancing community. As a result, many group classes, salsa congresses, and other local dance events have been canceled or suspended indefinitely. These measures are necessary and serve as a protection for everyone. But although social dancing with a partner has been put on hold temporarily for many of us, let's not give up on salsa. Remember that the foundation of this music first began to take shape over a century ago in Cuba, when African and European musical traditions combined to form something new. And that something new eventually grew into the salsa music that we know and love today. And so, salsa music went viral as it was carried to every part of the globe. And now, many around the world are happily infected with the salsa virus, and they have no desire to be cured. So please don't let this coronavirus kill your love of salsa dancing. Remember that salsa music went viral long before COVID-19 did, and salsa dancing will still be popular long after this pandemic is over. So even though the situation is difficult right now, please stay positive. Salsa isn't going anywhere. In the meantime, even though many of us are eager to start social dancing again, let's remember to take the necessary precautions so that we can protect ourselves and others. And if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to comment below. So until next time, stay safe y que viva la salsa.